In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign into your Gmail account. Whether you're accessing your email for the first time on a new device or just need a quick refresher, we're here to make this process simple and straightforward. Let's get started. First things first, open up your favorite internet browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any browser you prefer using. Once your browser is ready, head over to the Google homepage. You can easily get there by typing in www.google.com in the address bar at the top of your browser window. Press enter and the familiar Google search page should appear. Now direct your attention to the top right corner of the Google page. You should see a button that says sign in. Click on this button and it will take you to the Google account login page. This is your gateway to signing into your Gmail account, as well as accessing other Google services. Once you're on the login page, you'll see fields asking for your email or phone number. Enter the email address associated with your Gmail account in the first field, then click Next. Doing this will prompt you for the password connected to your email account. Carefully type in your password in the provided space. A pro tip here: if you're typing your password and don't want anyone to peek over your shoulder, you can click on the little eye icon next to the password field to hide your entry. If you happen to forget your email or password, don't worry. Just use the Need Help link to recover your account information, following Google's guidelines to retrieve your credentials securely. After inputting your password, click Next once more, give it a moment, and you'll find yourself logged into your Google account. Now that you're successfully signed in, you're only a step away from your emails. Return to the Google homepage by typing google.com again in the address bar. Look for the Gmail link in that same top right corner. Click on this and it will redirect you to your Gmail inbox where all your emails are housed. Welcome to your Gmail dashboard. Here, you can check all unread messages, compose new emails, and organize your inbox to your liking. It's that easy. With just a few clicks, you've signed into Gmail and are ready to take on your email tasks. And there you have it. Whether you need to double check an important message or send an email to a colleague, signing into your Gmail account is as simple as can be. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.